react on that?
No, I don't. 15 साल से इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रही हूँ, फिल्म फैमिली में जन्म लिया है. I know how to deal with it.
How much do you think the women and the sense of style has changed from time and from movies and films?
Well, I think it's important to be stylish and classic and elegant. Styling will never go out of fashion.
Any changes? कोई changes ऐसा जिससे आप बहुत काफी टाइम से इंडस्ट्री चल रही है, कोई changes कोई स्टाइल अभी आ चुकी है ट्रेंड में और आप
एक्चुअली पता नहीं, क्योंकि मैं किसी ट्रेंड्स को फॉलो नहीं करती हूँ. एंड आई थिंक इट्स नाइस टू जस्ट wear something that is comfortable, what you kind of feel happy in. I think that is very stylish.
बॉलीवुड में से आप किसे ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमरस मानती है एक्टर और लास्ट क्वेश्चन?
बहुत सारे हैं और आजकल सब अपने स्टाइल और फैशन पे कंसंट्रेट कर रहे हैं.
How is Bajrangi Bhaijaan shaping up? Because there was selfies out saying that कि हम दिल्ली में शूट कर रहे थे, you were shooting in NBC, you were shooting all across India. How was it? Total also you will be shooting Gujarat.
Yes, we are looking forward to going to Kashmir. हम लोग अगले महीने कश्मीर जा रहे हैं शूट के लिए. पिक्चर ईद पे लग रही है, सलमान के साथ बॉडीगार्ड के बाद आ रही हूँ, तो आई थिंक अपने फैंस वैसे भी बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हैं एंड आई एम श्योर इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ बिग वन.
We have the camera zoom. We have the camera zoom. Start with the video. Ajay, Raja, please. I'm very
So excited about the function tonight, being glamorous and stylish?
Well, I'm really glad that Filmfare came up with this event because it is really great to celebrate this kind of it is as important as movies.
But you've been the queen icon or stylish icon, and this next to you.
She's the best, isn't she?
Come on.
But how important for a person to be stylish or glamorous at the end of the day when he's presenting in front of?
Well, I think feeling good, feeling beautiful is truly beautiful. So I think style is also very subjective. But you know what? After all the film awards, it's really nice that they're having a glamour and style awards. It feels refreshing. So I think tonight is going to be a fun night.
Shridevi, what do you rather personally prefer, saying that if you get a chance to pick one out of two, one being glamorous, second being stylish, what would you personally?
Well, both is very important.
But
for me, fashion is like being comfortable and confident.
Shridevi, how much do you think that Indian women and the sense of style has changed from film and from time?
What I mean?
I think she is the epitome of Indian beauty and Indian woman, because I think an Indian woman looks good in Western clothes, in Indian clothes, carries everything in style.
And the sense of style has changed.
It's definitely more evolved, and I think today's women look beautiful.
Thanks to them.
No, nothing like that. I mean, they are just so evolved.
Because Travelers and Broadsheet have been printing saying that they will be soon, Janhvi will be debuting with you in a movie. Is it?
Thank you, Janhvi. Ajay.
Hi.
Beautiful tonight.
I do thank you. You're so kind. Thank you. So, Gauri Anandika and Dior Accessories.
But how important for a person to be stylish and fashionable and glamorous at the end of the day?
You know what? That was really scary. I didn't know that it was that important until these last couple of years. I've discovered that it is important, and I'm kind of liking it. It's fun. I think not only is it important, but it's fun. You know. know.
But your Bollywood fans are eagerly waiting to know that what's next, what have been ventured with.
Yes, something's next. A few things are next. But they have to wait till the end of the year. Good things come to those who wait, right? I think so. Yeah. All the oh yeah, happy Holi everyone. I hope I'm gonna get to participate. So have a great happy Holi and a safe Holi. Okay, thanks, bye. Oh, that is such a sexy picture. I do. I wish they would like lift me up and hold me. Yeah, that's true. I haven't seen you in 100 years.
Very excited. It's, I think, the first for Filmfare, and I think honoring glamour and style is a wonderful idea. And we're really excited to be here at the first event that Filmfare has done in the zone of fashion.
But the fire that you were ignited in India, in the fans' hearts and brains, so that is not going to be out that soon.
I'm here for Filmfare. I'm not here to comment on anything else. No, I'm really sorry. I'm purely here for Filmfare, and I'm here for the night of glamour, and I don't want to talk about it.
Let's talk about glamour. How important for a person to be glamorous and stylish?
Well, it's a really big part of our job. It's what, like, not me per se, I'm a filmmaker. It's a really big prerequisite for the talent in the country, for actors, actresses, and I think it's for them to look good is a big part of their job, and I'm glad that there's a platform to honor it tonight.
But who, according to you, is the most stylish and glamorous actor and actress in Bollywood?
Well, undoubtedly, Mr. Bachchan for me will be the epitome and king of glamour, always.
Is there an female actress?
I think Sonam is amazing, and she's a trendsetter and has quite started red carpet fashion in this country.
Not only so, when are you going to come and meet him and saying that you'll be speaking about things that have got viral on social media?
Sorry?
When are you going to meet the person that will be speaking about videos that have got viral on social media?
Well, when there's a right time for everything.
Sure, sir.
Yes,
Totally
thank you. Well, hi, this is me, Karan Johar, wishing everyone a really happy Holi. Keep the color as bright as it should be.
Hi.
Hello. Excited for the evening tonight?
Very excited.
But how important for a person to be stylish and fashionable?
I think it's very important to be comfortable with whatever you wear, and I think style is something which is very personal. I think you shouldn't run behind any sort of trends. But yeah, it's always good to look nice. It's always good when people look at you. So.
Anything else you would like to share with the viewers and fans, because your fans are very eagerly waiting to get yourself ventured in the next Bollywood film?
Oh yes, pretty soon. Lots of exciting things happening. So yeah, lots of exciting announcements very soon. Oh yes, hi, this is Diksha Seth wishing all of you a very, very rangeen Holi. Have lots of fun. Don't have too much bhang, and enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes.
Is she excited for the event?
Yeah. Very excited. First time I'm attending this event.
So, how important for a person to be glamorous and stylish and fashionable at the end of the day?
It's not like the end of the world, but it's nice to have a sense of style, and I think your sense of style defines you. And some people have it naturally, some people cultivate it, and it's nice.
So many artists are saying that Heather is all across everywhere. So what's next after Heather? People are just want to know that.
Well, I'm doing a film called Drishyam with Ajay Devgan, and another untitled film. So 2 films this year. Wishing all the viewers a very, very happy and safe Holi.
Hi. Very, very excited. I'm really looking forward to it. That's why, such a long
How
queue.
important is for a person to be stylish and fashionable at the end?
I'm sorry?
How important is for a person to be stylish and fashionable at the end?
Well, I think it's very, very important, and I think we live in a country which is very, very fashion conscious. So I think it's very important for me. It is
Yes.
You were back to the shoot very soon. Any Holi plans this year?
I don't think I'm in the country. I'm going to miss it, but I love Holi, so I wish everyone a very, very happy Holi. And guys, be safe and have a very happy Holi. Thank you.
Hi.
First of all, whom are you wearing tonight?
Thank you. I'm wearing Isabel Sanchez
But Alia, there's an
and Anmol Jewelers.
But the fire that have been lighted all across India saying that Alia turned out very intelligent. How is it and what is it?
हाँ
Alia turned out to be very intelligent nowadays.
हाँ वो लोग कह रहे हैं मैं मना नहीं करती हूँ. What should I say?
Right. But Alia, you might be knowing that people are just want to know what happened to the viral video that you've been circulated everywhere on social media.
Which viral videos? Are we talking about glamour today? Are we talking about viral videos? You've not asked me one question about glamour.
But how do you deal with the situation where news have been printing saying that you have an affair with the co-star or the person?
I deal with them like how everybody deals with them, by staying silent.
आलिया आपके लिए स्टाइल और ग्लैमर की डेफिनेशन क्या है?
स्टाइल और ग्लैमर की डेफिनेशन मेरे लिए आई थिंक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है कंफर्टेबल होना. अगर आप कुछ ज़्यादा कोशिश करते हो तो वो स्टाइल और ग्लैमर मिस हो जाता है. सो फॉर मी इट्स अबाउट बीइंग कंफर्टेबल, ऑफ कोर्स टेकिंग सम रिस्क्स एट टाइम्स.
जिसे आप ग्लैमर और स्टाइलिश मानती है बॉलीवुड?
आई थिंक ऑनेस्टली जिसकी वजह से ये सब शुरू हुआ है मैं मानती हूँ सोनम. ग्लैमर और रेड कार्पेट का स्टाइल आई थिंक उसने ही रीडिफाइन किया है. सो दैट समबडी, सोनम इज समबडी आई रियली लुक अप टू. और एक्टर आई थिंक मिस्टर बच्चन ड्रेसेस वेरी वेरी वेल.
तो उड़ता पंजाब के लिए कब शूट करना स्टार्ट करें?
अभी मार्च में शुरू करो.
थैंक यू.
विशिंग यू ऑल द व्यूअर्स वेरी वेरी हैप्पी होली. प्लीज़ बी सेफ, मज़े कीजिए, बट प्लीज़ लोगों को हार्म मत कीजिए.
अच्छा, they want to take some candidates here. ये नया चालू हो गया ना एकदम रेड कार्पेट पे. थैंक यू.
Who Sabzi?
But even now people who Sabzi. So what's next? Something like that?
And आखिरी पास्ता.
मुझे लेकिन ऐसा कुछ और देखने मिलेगा सर आपसे?
बहुत जल्दी, इसलिए मैंने दाढ़ी रखी है. You'll be seeing me in a very cruel role.